Hey guys, this is Panda, and I'm sorry it's a little bit dark over here. I don't have a lot of light in my apartment and it's the middle of the night right now, so I wanted to do a quick little unboxing of this new power bank that I got. It's not real exciting, but it's probably the best power bank I've seen for the value, and it's really cheap. I think it was under $20, I think. And I'll be linking that down below if you want to check it out. But this, I was looking for a good high OMH power bank so I could, make sure I had enough charge in it for myself and whoever I'm with, because I'm usually with somebody when I go out, for our phones to charge on. And it's also got a flashlight on it, and has 2 USB ports and a micro USB to charge it with, and then a USB-C port also. And it's really cute. It's got a little paw print on the front that is for the light indicator. So let's just look at this and see. I think the presentation is nice for this. It says it's a green. It keeps saying like go green on it, but I'm not for sure why. I'd have to look into the product page a little more. I didn't read a whole lot into it. I usually, when I get stuff, I just look at the reviews and the price and the specs, and that's about it. I don't really read into the whole pitch on the page for the product. So anyway, let's check this out and see what's in here. And we have a nice, maybe they're talking about the packaging that's green, because it is a nice, almost entirely cardboard packaging. And we have this little flap on here, basically asking for your 5-star review, and they give you information to contact if you have any problems. And in here we have, it looks like a travel pouch. It's a nice mesh travel pouch to keep it from getting damaged. And here's the cords and the instruction book. Oh, it's a nice glossy, thick instruction page here. It's really nice looking. This is from China, but it's probably one of the better Chinese products I've seen in a while, as far as not being a phone or whatever. It does tell you in English how to do everything. It tells you what all the options on it are, and as you can see, the paw print actually has the indicator for the charging on it. And it comes with the charging cable, and apparently it has a little USB plug light that you can use either on the power bank, or you can probably plug it into your tablet or your laptop or something if you need one for a reading light. And so there's that, and here's the power bank. Looks like the only plastic they have is the bags that these are in, so I'm thinking that's what they meant by the go green thing. I mean, it's kind of overkill to call it going green because of the cardboard, but I guess it's better than having giant plastic clamshells like a lot of companies do. So anyway, let's take a look. We've got this USB light. It's a little bendy reading light. Not sure how strong it is. I guess we'll check it out. It's got little caps on the ends for your plugs too. I like it when they do that. And a little twisty. Okay, so this is just the charging cord. You have to plug it into either your computer or a USB outlet plug. I've got a couple of those, but I'm getting some new ones too, so I can have plenty of USB plugs for my charging stuff. And this is nice and heavy. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour, 37 watt DC 5 volt, 2 amp max output, 3 amp max output. So I thought it was a 3 amp USB charging port, but I don't know for sure. It's a nice, like, soft, really soft, kind of rubbery feeling. It's like there's no indentations. It's nice and smooth. Feels nice, high quality. So it's got out 1 and 2 right here, and then in right here. So you charge in the micro USB. I don't know if the USB-C is also a charging port. I'm pretty sure you can. I don't know. I thought the USB-C was a charging port for a device, but it says in right here for both of these. So I'm not sure if they both charge, or if the USB-C is to also charge this up. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's got power button right here. So you're supposed to push it once if you want to reset the power bank itself, but you push it twice and you've got the flashlight right here. It's pretty bright if you look. And then the paw print's lit up. And it's got, I mean, it's not pretty bright. It's like one of those little keychain lights that you squeeze and it kind of does. But then we've also got this, which you can apparently plug into here to use also. So I think this is brighter. Oh yeah, that's definitely brighter. And you can bend it any way you want. So you can, like, bend it out and use it as a flashlight like this when you need one. Looks like there's one on the other side. I don't know if that's just to help let the light out, or if it's in case you want a less bright light facing a different way. I'm not sure, but that's a good reading light to have in your purse or something if you want to have one around in case you need it. And that's a nice rubbery. It doesn't feel like it would break very easily. A nice bendy reading light. It's nice of them to include that. And so yeah, this is basically it. These paw print toes flash when it's charging, and then when they're all lit up is when it's fully charged. So that's basically it. I recommend. I haven't really tried it charging yet. I was gonna. Here, let's try it and make sure it works. I'm gonna try my regular phone here that I'm playing music on right now, and see, make sure it charges. There it goes, charging, and it's lit up, which means it's charging. And I'm not for sure how to tell what the charging speed is, but usually it tells me if it's charging slowly, and it's not telling me that. So it's working, it's charging, that's good. I think you can charge 2 at once if you have somebody else who needs it charged. And it's 10,000 milliamp hours, which I think is enough for 2.5 normal smartphone charges. Or you can charge up like your iPad on it at least once or twice. So that's pretty handy to have, and usually it turns off by itself. See, there you go. If you're not using it, it'll turn off within like 30 seconds. So you're not wasting the battery. And I will link this down below if you guys want to check it out. It's pretty cheap for a nice phone bank or power bank. The only other one I was looking at getting was a red one that was also, you could use as like a hand warmer, like it would warm up in your pocket and you could use it to keep your hands warm. But I started to think that was kind of a little iffy, because you don't want your battery to warm up. You want it to be cooled down so it doesn't like overheat. And so I didn't think, I didn't think that was worth the risk, because it was mostly just an idea for my mom, because she's always wanting things to help warm her hands and feet up. But yeah, I'm happy with this one. I love the design. The paw print's really cute, and it feels really high quality. And it's only about the second time I've gotten a power bank before, so I'm really excited to try it out, come in handy when I'm out and my phone needs charging. And now I've got something I can have in emergency. I have this cute little carrying pouch to put it in. It's nice and thick and plush, so it'll protect it if it gets banged around in your purse. So that's pretty cool. Actually, I recommend putting the ports downwards so they don't get all dusty. If you put them facing the bottom of the pouch, they'll get less dust in them, so they won't have a problem with charging. But yeah, highly recommended so far. I will definitely let you guys know if there's a problem and I don't recommend it anymore, but otherwise I think it's worth the little bit that it cost. It was one of the cheaper ones I saw when I was looking for a decent power bank. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and stay tuned for some more like haul / unboxing videos pretty soon. And thanks for watching and sticking along with me. Hope y'all are staying safe and not going crazy. See you next time. Peace out.